having 5 plus 6 in big data. Today I'm going to share the knowledge regarding how to prepare a big data projects in web application and also how to use these web applications in real time and use case wise also. And first part of that application preparation is prerequisite installations like Ant, Maven, Tomcat, and Eclipse. Some kind of prerequisite softwares are there. Today I'm going to share about sharing how to install all those things. And coming sessions I'm going to build applications as a hands-on. I'll be going to sharing you. So the first part of the this video will be I'm going to sharing is like how to install the building tools Maven and in my VirtualBox machine Linux Ubuntu. And let's have a document share. So in this document, I'm already making a note for like how to download, where to download the Maven and what we have to set inside the .basrc file. So let's open this link. Here you will be having different versions of the Maven. You have it. You can offer downloading the latest version or whichever version you want to take. So right now I'm going to download this version. So once you click on this will be going to downloading for you. So currently I already have this downloaded file. I have it. I'll be going to show it to you. So I have downloaded already Maven 3.2.2. This version is there. Let's have a copy this tarball to my home directory, and inside the home directory creating a directory is work, and inside the web directory let's copy it. And after copying your tarball, right click and extract here. So currently I'm going to installing the my Maven inside the my work directory. This is what till here my Maven home, and we need to update this Maven home inside the .basrc file for environment variable setting. Let's open the .basrc file using the gedit tilde slash .basrc. Now enter this file. We need to keep your environment variables. Let's have a make a note here now. So moment big data project environment variables. So one of the environment variable we are setting right now is as per Maven installation is export m2 underscore home. Environment variable will be m2 underscore home. The path of the environment variable will be right click on this folder, go for properties. This is my location and the folder name will be this one. Let's have a copy of the post slash folder name. So now we export the Maven home, and similarly we have to add this Maven home bin folder into path variable. So the next line will be export path equal to dollar $m2 underscore home slash bin colon dollar path. Let's save this file. So these two environment variables will make sure that like Maven will be in your class path of the bin path for path of the your bin folder. Now let's save this file and close it and close the terminal and reopen it. How can you ensure that Maven is installed or not? mvn version, and currently we installed the Maven 3.2.2. It's also the Maven home is also restored here. So this will make sure like install the Maven in your system. And next point I'm going to show it as part of this tutorial is install how to installing the Ant also. So let's have a document regarding that. So this is the document related to the Ant installation. You can download the Ant software from the this link. Here you can choose your version, whichever the latest version you want to download it, and I'll be going to download this version. So currently it is already downloaded in my local machine. I can copy that one also. Let's have a location where I have downloaded. Yes. So this is the place I have already downloaded the Ant 1.4.6. Let's cancel this request. So let's copy this tarball to your work folder inside the home, what we created in the previous video. Now let's right click on the Ant and extract here. Now the tarball is extracted. As similar as Maven, we have to update this environment variable also inside the .basrc file. Let's go to the terminal. Now give the command is gedit tilde slash .basrc and add two more environment variables here. Export and underscore home equal to path of the ant will be home Hadoop work. Inside that the folder name will be Apache and 1.9.6. Let's have a copy here. And the next line will be export path equal to dollar and underscore home slash bin colon dollar path. Let's save this file and close your terminal. Let's reopen it. Now how to verify is Ant is installed or not. Ant hyphen version. Currently we installed the 1.9.6. Let's verify it. Yes. So currently the prerequisite building tools in the market, like most frequently used one is the and one more is the Maven. So we install here now. So the next important one is like installing the Eclipse with the web application support. It is J2E application support. Given one is Eclipse J2WE. And similarly, to run the web projects, we need to have a web server. So that will be going to installing as a Tomcat. And those two things also, let's see now. So the next part I'm going to show you like a Tomcat. So where you can download the Tomcat one is, I'm just listing out here now. Let's go to the link. So here the Tomcat 7 related versions, we have a Tomcat 8 also available, but I'm going with the Tomcat 7 here. If you scroll down, the latest version will be the 7.0.64. I'll be already have a copy, download copy is there. You can go to bin and you can look for your tarball. I have already downloaded this tarball. Let's copy that tarball to our work directory. So my download data, I have it in the downloads 7.0.64. Copy this tarball to work directory and extract it. So how to set Tomcat home inside the .basrc file is, go to the terminal, j tilde slash .basrc. Now here we have to set the two more environment variables, export Catalina underscore home equal to home Hadoop work, and take the Tomcat home path and similarly export path equal to dollar Catalina underscore home slash bin colon dollar path. So these two lines will be recording for like installing the Tomcat in your system and available that one in the path variable, and save this file and close it and reopen the terminal. And how to start generally Tomcat is start hyphen sorry startup.sh. This command will take care of starting the Tomcat in a background mode. How can you verify is it running or not? By going by GPS command, and currently we are able to see the process name is Bootstrap, so Tomcat is running it, and the Tomcat by default port will be 8080. Let's open that one in the browser. http colon double slash localhost colon 8080. Let's make a hit. So currently Tomcat is already installed and it is running. If anyone want to do some practice and examples also, they can go for examples, some servlet examples. You can execute some of the examples. So currently it's working. So how to stop this one is shutdown.sh. This will take care of starting the Tomcat. Let's verify it is stopped or not by GPS command. Yes. Previously we have Bootstrap, now it's not available. So Tomcat is stopped it. Let's verify in the browser also is it running or not. So currently we have installed the web server in our system is Apache Tomcat, and also we verified how to start it and as well as how to stop it. And the next prerequisite for our application device is Eclipse with have it's supported with the J2E. Now for that let me show you some of the document. So this is the link I have given for you to download Eclipse, and also if you want to build any web framework with device framework level Spring HTC is it, you can go for that one also, no issues with this. So let me choose this one. So Eclipse wise, let me open the. So when you go for this eclipse.org/downloads, it shows the latest version. The current latest version available in the market is Mars. You want to go for the Mars version is you can choose it, or else you want to go for the older version is you have a Luna, Kepler, Juno, Indigo, other older versions are there. So as part of this demo, I'm going with the older version is Kepler, having an option called downloads, and different versions of the Kepler we have it as a standard version and Java EE developers, and it is for Java developers and different flavors we have it. And my suggestion will be for publication project wise, go for this flavor and the corresponding one. If it is a Windows 62-bit or 32-bit or Mac 62-32-bit or Linux 62-32-bit. So currently I'm going to download the 64-bit of the Eclipse here because currently my OS is the 64-bit. So I'll be downloading this one. The copy of this one I already have it. I'll be going to show you. If you want to download, you have to click here. So currently I have already downloaded a copy is there. I'll show you. This is what the Kepler 64-bit version. I have it in my system. Let's have a copy of this one to your work directory. Now right click and extract here. It is extracting slowly. Yes. So now you can able to see the Eclipse icon here, Eclipse folder here. Inside this, this is the icon you want to start your Eclipse means, and you want to change any Eclipse related properties. You have to go for eclipse.ini. So let's double click on Eclipse, or else I click and say open. Now Eclipse Clupper is opening. The default path will be when it is prompted home, username, workspace. So let's make it okay. Okay. Now it is open the Java W version of the Eclipse, and if anyone interested to go with some samples or maybe tutorials, you can go through it. So currently I'm going to closing this welcome. Now let's have a look at what are the features which they have with Java JTW. It's having a inbuilt repository support, database connection, debugging support, Git repository, Java, Java browser, Java W. This is what currently we have it as a default one. And for doing JavaScript also we have JavaScript Flower is there. And for doing web project level we need web. So we need this kind of all basics in our Eclipse. So we download this one. So let's do further practice on this Eclipse. Hope you enjoyed till here. So I have shown you the base version, base things, what are the required for building any web project. And further video, I'm going to continue with how to build the web projects in the JavaW Eclipse, and how to run that one, and how to make the bytes be big data projects also. The coming sessions, we're going to touch with that part. Thank you.